Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management, Module number 2, Video number 6. In previous class, we were discussing about the advantages of digital marketing. In that, 5 advantages we have covered, that is, utmost convenience guaranteed, greater reach assured, cost effectiveness is a salient feature, then personalization made possible, then building robust relationships. After that, today we shall see another 6 benefits of a digital marketing. That is benefit to customer. Here customer can now stay updated through emails, websites and online advertisement, and of course social media networking sites. Previously, how it used to happen in traditional marketing, to know the recent arrivals and all, the customer had to visit the shop or store, then only he would have been aware about the new arrivals and all. But here the customer is benefited because through online mode, websites, online advertisements or social media networking or emails, the customer is updated, and customers now have easy access to the internet even when they go through, say, tabs or smartphones. Customers are now able to make a comparison of products and services online. There no longer needs to visit different shops or, say, stores, from one store to another physically, to check and compare the prices and the quality. Here in online mode they have the option and choice of comparing and selecting. So today the customer can compare the features and prices of a wide array of products simply by opening tabs. Another biggest advantage of digital marketing is that online pricing is really transparent. Customers are now able to take advantage of any change in price. So, special offers, etc., customers have complete access to all kind of pricing information, and that too anytime, 24 into 7 access is available. The next point is changing on the go. Here, compared to traditional form of marketing such as magazine advertisement or newspaper, the television advertisement slots, the first online marketing benefit is that you can make changes from any place, you can track advertisements, you can judge the response to make or to change in certain visuals or contents more accurately with online marketing. It provides accurate data of the internet generated by the advertisement or interest generated by the advertisement. With traditional methods, all these things were not possible. And in traditional marketing methods, though changes mean that an entirely new advertisement. But here on digital marketing or internet marketing, the changes can be done as and when required. So this is the 7th advantage of digital marketing. 8th is results. Here the digital marketing to view results and monitor their fall and rise through web-based online analysis program can be done, and that marketing program will be more worthwhile. This makes it possible for companies to scrap and advertise, or say to focus or to generate quick interest or make effective changes, and the results can be calculated, and the changes or the interest, whether the interest is generated or no, all these kind of results can be, say, calculated with the online mode. The 9th advantage of digital marketing is demographic targeting. Say when advertisements are placed online, they can be targeted towards a specific group depends upon gender or age or even geography. You can target specific income groups and groups with certain educational qualifications as well, or say those in certain professions also. Email solutions by enterprises can have monthly or weekly newsletters sent over the internet, which showcases the company's latest research and findings related to a certain product or services. So, this can create additional awareness of the company and say result in interest in the other products of the company. So, traditional marketing is basically like shooting in the dark compared to the directness of online marketing or digital marketing. Suppose if you want to concentrate on a specific demographic area, that area can be concentrated. So, this option is available in digital marketing. Then 10th point of advantage is inclusion of media. Digital marketing can include various types of media such as email, audio files, blogs, videos, social media links, and newsletters. Say, access to several media outlets makes it possible for the online marketing or the digital marketing group to target a specific audience with better results. So, various enterprises can develop emails based upon solution for their marketing campaigns and say customers being informed about the latest developments and offers. So, traditional marketing does not account for so many media outlets, and thus those that choose to make or market online find that they receive more attention than those of the traditional. So, here any media can be included in digital marketing. Last is conversion rate. Digital marketing arms the company with the ability to convert a prospective customer into customer almost immediately. Say the sale of a product is only a few click away from its advertisement. So, traditional advertising relies on the customer's remembrance, the advertisement, and taking action on the advertisement to go out and physically purchase it. However, in online marketing, the advertisement or the marketing campaign can capture someone's imagination and then lead them to purchase the product. So, service in a few short moments. This is especially useful as it takes advertisement of a customer's immediate desire. One may see an advertisement in the newspapers and want to purchase the product but may forget. So, in online marketing, the conversion rate or digital marketing, the conversion rate is very high. So, these are the advantages of digital marketing to the customers as well as to the management. With this, we shall stop in today's class. If you have any doubts, you all can feel free to contact me. Thank you. Good day.